Before we talk about tools, automation, or artificial intelligence, we need to talk about data. AI and automation are only as effective as the data they rely on. No matter how advanced the technology is, if the data going into the system is poor, the results coming out will also be poor. This can lead to unreliable outputs, incorrect insights, and, over time, a loss of trust in the system. In finance, data quality is especially critical. Every decision made by the finance team can impact cash flow, financial reporting, and regulatory compliance. Even small data errors can result in incorrect reports, failed audits, or financial losses. Finance data is also used by many stakeholders: management, auditors, regulators, and business leaders, who rely on it to make important strategic decisions. If the data is wrong, the decisions based on that data will also be wrong. This is why data accuracy is not optional in finance. It is essential. For AI systems, data is more than just an input. It is the fuel that powers everything the system does. AI learns from data. It identifies patterns from data. It makes predictions and supports automation based on data. When the data is clean, structured, and reliable, AI can deliver meaningful insights and consistent automation. When the data is messy or inaccurate, AI simply magnifies the problem. So before adopting AI or automation, the first and most important question is always this: is our data ready? In the next sections, we'll explore how to recognize poor data, improve data quality, and prepare finance data so AI and automation can truly add value.